Good day, everyone. So today, I'll be discussing about government offices handling tax administrative functions, including the role of the BIR and the different tax remedies of the government. Government offices. So first, we have the Department of Finance or DOF. Siya yung main agency na nag-handle ng tax administration here in the Philippines. Under the DOF, meron tayong three important agencies, the BIR, DOC, and LTC. And of course, hindi lang agencies, may mga officials din na involved like the Secretary of Finance, BIR, Commissioner, CTA judges, and the other officers na nag-enforce ng tax laws. So number 2, Bureau of Internal Revenue or BIR. Now let's talk about the BIR. The BIR is basically the main agency na nagko-collect ng taxes. It was created way back in 1939. And until now, sila pa rin yung pinaka-main ng tax collection. So their main functions are collect taxes, enforce penalties, make sure na susunod yung mga tax laws. Number 3 is power of duties of the BIR. So ano ba ginagawa talaga ng BIR? They are responsible to collect all national taxes, enforce penalties and fines, execute court decisions related to tax cases, and manage or implement tax laws. So sila talaga yung backbone ng tax system natin. Ito naman tayo sa BIR officials. Now, in terms of people inside in BIR, we have the commissioner, siya yung head, then assisted by the deputy commissioner. Then, sa different areas, meron tayong regional directors, revenue district officers or RDOs, and examiners and collection agents. Sila yung directly na naghahandle ng taxpayers. Power of the BIR Commissioner. Now, the BIR Commissioner has a lot of power. First, they can interpret tax laws. Second, they can decide tax cases, but pwede pa rin ito i-appeal sa CTA. They can also investigate taxpayers, check records and documents, call people and take testimonies, and sila rin yung nagdedetermine kung magkano talaga yung tax na babayaran. Sa regional and district functions, so far, the regional director sila yung nag-implement ng tax laws sa kanilang regions. While the RDO, sila naman yung nag-check if compliant ang taxpayers, nagde-detect ng fraud, and nag-oversee ng operations locally. Sa tax remedies of the government naman, para ma-make sure na nakakolekta ang government, meron silang tinatawag na tax remedies. This includes forfeiture, tax lien, compromise, penalties, and inspection. Forfeiture and tax lien. Sa ano nga ba ang forfeiture? Forfeiture is when kinukuha ng government yung property ng taxpayer that hindi siya nagbayad ng tax, while tax lien is like a legal claim sa property. So parang nakahold siya until mabayaran yung tax. Compromise of tax cases. Lastly, meron tayong compromise. This is when nag-agree yung government and taxpayer to settle the case. Usually, ginagawa ito if may doubt sa claim or hindi kayang bayaran ng taxpayer. For criminal cases, pwede rin siya mag-compromise as long as walang fraud and hindi pa siya nasa court. So for the conclusion of this report, overall, the DOF together with the BIR and other agencies handle tax administration in the Philippines. And they also have different ways or remedies to make sure na lahat ng taxpayers are complying. So that's all. Thank you.